For today's episode, we're going to be setting a new American Standard toilet. The flooring guys came in and they added about an inch to this floor, so we're going to have to make up for it. To do this, we could either cut out this flange and install a new one, we could double wax it, or we could add a spacer. This is what I usually do, and I've never had a problem in doing so. These are solid brass screws going back down to the subfloor, and then I double bolt my toilet bolts. That way it makes it easy to remove them. And we're going to use an extra thick wax ring. We're going to replace this escutcheon. I do stuff like that so when I hand the customer the big fat bill, I can point out all the little things that I changed out. Hey, you're supposed to put the bevel on that nut down so it centers the washer. Yeah, it looks like the washer is pretty centered. Going to grind off those bolts, clean up everything. I put pipe dope on this gasket after I'm done brushing my teeth and gelling my hair with it. Oh, you couldn't have used a shorter supply line, huh?
Hey, boy, you're gonna rot out that subfloor, boy.
This is an upstairs toilet, so if that wax ring leaks, the subfloor will be the first thing on a long list of items that I have to replace. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys down in the comment section.